Hey, this is Walter at NAB Show 2024. This is just a short series of videos about the gear that I'm using. This show is being powered by GENTREE, and we have from GENTREE.
And I'm Theo from GENTREE.
And the main battery that's powering my NANLITE PavoSlim 120 all-day power is the...
Oh, this is a 12-hour GENTREE's battery, V-mount lock, and also has USB PD up to 65 watt in and out, and it's like 390 watt hour, pretty big one.
So I've been getting pretty solidly about 4.5 hours of on and off use. On the stand, we have four of these 15 amp USB-C PD65 power batteries. They are on each corner of the stand, actually adding weight to the bottom. So the stand is extremely stable. I also have Manfrotto 15-pound weights on it. So the stand is extremely stable, 100% no issues the whole entire show. And the stand's being powered by GENTREE. All batteries on the stand are GENTREE, including BumbleBees. These are very small batteries that can hold the 147 watts. Each one of my cameras has a V-mount on it, and I'm powering the Shogun Ultra and the Ninja Ultras, and also adding additional power through the USB, the PD 3.0 to each one of my cameras, which is a Sony FX6, FX30. So BumbleBees from GENTREE are powering the Shogun Ultra and Atomos Ultra, and additional power to both cameras. Pretty much I'm getting a couple hours of juice from the BumbleBee. In addition to that, we also have on the back this battery, but not in gold mount, but in V mount. This is on the back of the Sony FX6, powering the additional power for the FX6, all power for the SoundDevices MIX Pre 3, and all power for the Atomos Shogun Ultra, which is doing all the heavy lifting of recording. This is the new GENTREE battery with a OLED screen or LED screen instead of using buttons. Oh, this one's actually sort of neat. I saw this. This actually has the LED screen in the front, and as a quickie on the side, also has the blue one. So I actually haven't seen this. Both sides, I didn't know both sides have it. So GENTREE's kicking it up a notch with the new lineup for 2024. That's neat. The screen in the front tells you exact percentage, also has estimated usage time, in addition to the dots. A few of the amazing things about GENTREE is when you get down to 2 bars, bar number 2 starts blinking, so it's trying to give you a little heads up that you might want to change your battery. And now for 2024, they have is this an OLED?
Yes. Oh.
Yeah, so it has an OLED back screen, easy to read, black background, crisp white. It has the voltage and the amperage being drawn. Is that the word?
Oh yeah, that's right. And when you're discharging, it stays minus, and when you're charging on it on the charger, it stays plus.
So that's pretty interesting. So GENTREE is the power source for my 2024 NAB show, and I just wanted to immensely thank them for helping me when I come in for battery changes. It's like NASCAR. I come in, or F1, I come in, I change the tires, and I'm out. So thank you very much. And if you're at any show and you see GENTREE, please stop by, because I personally use these batteries on my rolling interview stand. I have had no issues at all during the whole entire show. Complete power. Every single thing on this stand is being powered by GENTREE.
This is NAB 2024. This is GENTREE. Thank you.